Subscribe to Beautification channel for all craft and DIY videos. Also hit bell icon to get updates. It's totally free.
Hi guys, this is Purnima and welcome to my channel Beautification. So today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful welcome sign for your door. These are the requirements that you're going to be needing to make this beautiful welcome sign. Make a note and let's get started. So I have taken this canvas, but you can also take cardboard. I'm using this pink shade from the Fabrical company, but you can take any shade and make sure that you are using 2 coats of any color that you want. I've had this steel cutout from Dollar Tree that I bought from Dollar Tree, but you can make the design, draw the design, anything that you want. I'm just using simple Fevicol to attach it, as it is a very thin steel cut, so it will easily attach it using Fevicol. Now it's up to you how you want to decorate your sign. I really like it to be very minimal and very trendy, so I used just the outline and I just decorated the outline with small stone decorations, but you can use anything that you want. You can also use flowers, you can also use lace, you can also paint it with different colors. It is completely your choice, but I really want it to be minimal and I don't want to put lots of things to it, so I just made an outline with stones, silver stones. As you can see, it's already looking very beautiful and it doesn't require anything else. You can make with any other color that you want. All the colors will look absolutely beautiful. So just to give it a finished touch, as we have to attach this to the door, I'm just using this thread, jute thread. Make sure that the thread that you're using, it's strong enough to hold your canvas or cardboard, whichever thing that you're using. I'm using glue gun to attach it, as glue gun is really very strong, but you can also use Fevikwik or any strong bond that will make sure that your the bond is not broken easily. So once that is done, your DIY welcome sign is ready. You can just attach it to your door and it looks absolutely stunning. I've already got lots of compliments for this design. It is super easy to make and it looks absolutely stunning. So guys, make sure that you do it and make sure that you share your photos with me in your Instagram and Facebook. If you like this video, hit like and share with my video to everyone, your friends and your families. Take care.